This Formica Fusca black ant queen has given birth to her first brood. While the workers established their new territory in the earth, above ground, a nearby colony of Formica Sanguinea slave-maker ants are on the lookout for would-be victims. These ants specialize in stealing larvae from neighbouring nests and raising them as their own. If the black ant colony isn't prepared for the inevitable incursion, they may be wiped out entirely. Formica Sanguinea are not the only danger for the fledgling colony. There is something even more sinister nearby, lurking in the darkness. Subjugation florentina, a funnel-web spider. She is large, fast, and equipped with a deep, powerful bite. Her lair is carpeted by sheets of silk woven between tripwires that radiate out from the entrance. She can detect even the slightest vibrations with her sensitive legs. Any ant that strays too close will be snapped away in the blink of an eye. By working together, the ants have overwhelmed one of the funnel-web spiders. She won't be causing any more trouble for the colony. Her sisters, however, still present a problem. This colony must remain small for now. Food is too scarce to support greater numbers. Predators are loose in the nest. The larvae must be protected. The raiding party has arrived. The slave makers will head straight for the brood chambers. They must be stopped. The raiding party is left, and with them they have taken 10% of the black ant brood. The Fusca colony must replenish quickly if they are to survive the next assault. Predators are loose in the nest. The larvae must be protected. The Sanguinea colony seeks once again to bolster its numbers. A battalion of slave makers charge into the nest. Predators are loose in the nest. The larvae must be protected. The raiding party is left, and with them they have taken 10% of the black ant brood. There is no respite from the culling. The Sanguinea will subjugate or exterminate. Predators are loose in the nest. The larvae must be protected. The raiding party was no match for the valiant defenders. The brood remained safe, for now. The Sanguinea colony seeks once again to bolster its numbers. A battalion of slave makers charge into the nest. Once again, the slave makers return to their nest with new black ant larvae to raise as their own. The raids will continue, but this Formica Fusca colony has proved its capacity to endure and grow. Eventually they will surpass their parasitic overseers, and the continued raids of the slave makers will reduce to nothing more than a mere inconvenience for the great Black Ant Empire.